Hi guys, Cindy here from Bunnybrook Designs. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing. So just on the heels of getting the bargain bead box came my curated bead box. And this month's bead box is titled Seriously Sassy. Say that fast 3 times. I kind of have to admit I took a peek before I started the unboxing to see what this was going to look like. I can't wait to show you guys what this is. So Seriously Sassy this month. So I've opened it, kind of took a peek in real quick, but we're going to go through this together. So close the box. Let's take a look. And it's, as you can see, there's a lot of vibrant stuff in here. So we're going to go through it and take a look at what we've got. First off, we have 10mm purple spotted marble style glass beads. That's these. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love the little, I don't know if you can see that. I'm loving the little blue spots, the white spots. I'm not sure how they get them that way, but I love these beads. They're fun. Next, we have purple crackle glass beads, 10mm. I don't know if you can see the sparkle on these, the cracked glass, but there's little flecks of darker purple in there, and it looks like almost blue when the light hits it just right. Let's see if I can get the light to hit that on camera for you. I don't know if you can see that or not, but this is a very vibrant blue color. Very beautiful. I like those together. Next, we have 8mm yellow marble style glass beads, 16-inch strand. That is these. Very pretty. I'm not usually a big yellow fan, but this color yellow I think goes fabulous with the deep purples here. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera very well, but those two together, sandwiched in between there, it's on the color wheel, so it's opposites. One of these days I'll break out a color wheel and we can go over color theory. Next, we have 8mm plum spot marble style glass beads. These are similar to these, except in a more plum. This is like a fall muted color to me. I would consider it more maroon than plum, but again, we have the turquoise blue spots along with lighter lavender spots, which will go along with our theme. Next, we have dark turquoise crackle glass beads, 6mm, and we have a 10.5-inch string. Turquoise beads, these are just beautiful. I can see using these with silver, using them with gold. The kit came with silver, so we'll probably do a lot with silver with this. I may even do something a little bit rustic with that, separate. It's a possibility. I'm getting ideas. I got way too many ideas with this. Next, we have 4mm purple glass pearl beads, and that are these. These are cute. A little bit different color purple, but it does go well with the rest of the colors. I can see this toning down the bright colors a little bit as spacer beads. It does go well with the yellow, but it also goes well with this turquoise, so I can see maybe a bracelet with that, a necklace. Next, we have 6/0 turquoise opaque glass seed beads, and they are 6/0s, so they're larger glass seed beads, and these aren't uniform, so keep that in mind when you're using these beads. If you get this kit, some of them, like this one, is a lot wider than, say, this one here. So it's going to be varied in shape. So if you're looking for more uniform, you're not going to get it in these kits. But this can be very fun when you're looking to make something very ununiform, very, you know, asymmetrical, or just as filler for something. I do like those, and I have used the seed beads before in these kits to do some really fabulous things. Next, we have 16 by 12 sky blue pressed glass oval beads, 6 pieces. That are these. And I'm going to try to open these up and get a couple of them out to show you. So these are, you know, they're oval. They make great earrings, make great, you know, spacers. I do like those. Bead caps on them work well to kind of dress these up. You can dress them up with silver bead caps. Next, we have 14 by 10 milky white pressed glass oval beads. I actually love these beads. I've used them before in some of the other kits that I've gotten from Curated Bead Box, and I think they remind me of white jade. They're very milky white. They're really good for spacers. They go well with purple, turquoise. I don't know about this color. I mean, that would be it would pop. It would make the colors pop. I can see putting these with this and making something interesting. Or even with the lighter colors. So there's so many options with this kit. I just love purple. And I'm sure any of my subscribers can attest by now. I'm a big fan of purple. And I have a bunny. I'm sorry, I have a bunny at my feet again. So she just loves. All right, we have 6mm yellow glass pearl beads. So these are golden yellow. They're deep, deep yellow. I love these beads. Normally I see pearls, they're kind of this color, but these are great, and I think those will also go well with the purples. I think having the deeper colors, ooh, even that goes really well. That reminds me of a boho Victorian theme right there. I don't know if I'd put it with the turquoise, because I don't know if that would go, but it would definitely go with the purples. All right, then we have 6mm silver bead cap. Okay, and that are these. So there's two different bead caps. These are, and I'm going to end up having to put them back in the bag, but I wanted to kind of look at them with you on camera. These are round spacer beads. I think they'll go well for the 6mm. Yeah, it'll go well with the 6mm beads. Kind of fun. They've got a little design on them. Pretty straight round edges. So those are going to be good for making some, adding a little bit of bling to things. Next we have 6mm spacer beads, approximately 25. Oh, that's not those. That's those. No, that's these. Sorry, I've got extra bead caps, so these are the spacer beads. And they're 6 by 4mm. They've got little X's on them. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. See, there's the X on that one. There. Whoop. Yes, so those are going to be interesting. I'm not sure how to use those. We'll figure something out with that. Maybe bigger, maybe on the bigger, between the bigger beads. I don't know. We'll find something to do with that. Again, I get ideas, and then as I play on the design board, I get additional ideas. We also have I'm trying to read here while I'm talking to you. A silver metal photo frame locket pendant. And I have this. It is a locket. It opens up. You can put a picture in there. It's kind of got a rustic feel. And if you can see the pattern on there, it's got two little flowers and leaves. Looking at this, part of me wants to actually well, I don't even know if I want to, but if I took some resin and just painted some detail in UV resin just to color that, I think that would look fabulous. I may try that. We may do that together on camera. And then I'm trying to find where this is on the list, because this did not come on the list. It is 6mm, and I don't see it. So I think I got an extra strand in there. Because this is turquoise, but it's not the marble. It's crackled. So I don't see that. Plus, I got an additional bag of spacer beads, which is totally awesome. Let me just go through my list here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, I mean, it's in there somewhere. So these are dark turquoise crackle beads, I'm assuming. Yes, that's what it is. 6mm dark turquoise crackle beads, yes. So I do have it on my list. And I love these. If we look at this real quick while I'm unboxing, I can see those going together. That almost reminds me of an ocean. I don't know why. Maybe putting it with that. I don't know if I like that. I do kind of like that together. Not really. I like it that way. If I did it graduating from purple, blue, yellow, purple, you know. I like that. I definitely love these together. Definitely love those together. And if we wanted to brighten it up, we could throw some blue in there. Throw some darker blue. I don't know if I like the darker blue, but definitely the turquoise. Maybe even some of the sky blue seed beads with silver, definitely. So we've got a lot of possibilities. And if I paint this, and I say paint, but I mean resin with UV resin, you can see the flowers on there. So I can do a little bit on the flowers, the leaves in green, and then you have, it's more colorful. And I can do one flower in yellow, one flower in purple, because there is a daisy right here. I could do yellow. I could do purple on this one. I could do yellow on this one. And then the green leaves, which would give it a little bit of color. And then you have, and again, I can paint the resin on, and if I don't like it, I can always wipe the resin off before it's cured. And no harm, no foul, because it's UV resin. It's not going to set up. And then you've got this cute little locket that will hang as a pendant onto something. And with the coloring, I think it would go amazing. So anyways, I've got some ideas. I need to finish up the last bead box, which I've got a couple videos that I need to make and publish, but I'm ready to start this one. I almost want to put the other beads away and just jump right into this, but I really need to finish because I have a few items half done, and I may or may not do videos on those just because I think I'm posting a video every other day lately, and I don't want to bombard you, my users, with too many videos. But then again, I want to show you everything I'm doing. I'm so excited. So anyways, thanks for watching, and let me know what you think of this month's curated bead box. Seriously Sassy, and we will do some designing together in the next one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.